Hello, and thank you for calling IT support. My name is Shalakishvali. How may I help you? Sir or ma'am? Ma'am, you see again, you will have to speak up. I can barely hear you, please. You bought a new computer? Okay, alright. From one of our stores? Yes. You're trying to set it up? And you need help working through it. I have a cold. That's why I sound so weird. No, I'm not a terrorist. Yes, I have a cold. It makes me sound like a terrorist. Yes. Every time I get a cold, people say, you Ahmed? No, my name is not Ahmed. No. No, it's just a code I have that makes me sound like a terrorist. I am not actually a terrorist. What about the computer you have here? So okay. Let's try to fix that computer. Okay. Yes. Have you okay, so first things first, when you once you have it out of the box, and when you put it somewhere, uh, when you're trying to stage it and place it somewhere, you need to put it somewhere where it will get lots of airflow, because if you try to put it on the ground, it gets hot down there, it gets dusty in the fan, and it has to work overtime because it's on the floor, and it could burn out and be useless to you much quicker than if you put it somewhere where you have good airflow. Yes, you need to put it on the desk. It can be either, vertical or horizontal, it does not matter, but it just needs to be where it can breathe. That's all. Okay. Okay, you've done that. All right. Now, did you get a monitor with the computer, or did you buy a separate? Right. So, okay. Okay, it's part of the package. That's good. So you set that up to it, and you just connect the wires. The wires. Excuse me. The wires. No, not the virus. The wires, not virus. Don't connect the virus. You don't want to do that. You just got your computer. No, the wires. You want to connect the cables, the wires, the power cords, the black that goes from boop, to the computer to the screen to the computer to the wall to give it power. That that is what you have to do. The wires, the cables. I guess cables. I don't know, but that's what you would have to do. Yes, the same for the mouse and the keyboard. You have to connect them all with USBs. What? No, not KGB. USB. No, I'm not the Russian. No, no, no. USB, not KGB. KGB they're not even called KGB anymore. How would I know? Movies, television, books, they are called the FSB, I think. How would I know that? It's the same thing. Movies, books, Tom Clancy, the late great Tom Clancy. They're just not called the KGB anymore. But I'm not saying K. Yeah, we're getting off track. I'm not. I didn't say KGB. I said USB. The little thing you plug into. Is this your first computer? Oh, it is. Okay, first computer. Okay. Well, pardon me. I'm very sorry, my friend. Yes. Okay. Yes. So you plug everything up with the USBs. The keyboard, the mouse, and you give it the power source into the wall, and it'll boot up, and you see it run through a whole bunch of scripts and a bunch of program startups, and then you just wait and you run some configuration stuff, and you have to maybe create a password for your computer, or maybe not. Some people don't believe in security. Yeah, no, it doesn't come on by itself. No, you have to push a button. It turns green. Yes, it turns green, and that means everything's good to go. So after that, you want me to wait? Wait, you want me to wait while you take it out of the box? Ma'am, I'm IT support for when you have actually taken the computer out of the box and kind of set it up. How do you open the box? Ma'am, that is not what I do. You're going to have to call your neighbor or something and have them, or a son, or a niece, a nephew, somebody, grandson. I can't tell you how to open. I can't tell you how to open the box, ma'am. It's a box. It just opens, Sim sim salibim. I don't know. Open says me, abracadabra, all the stereotypical Indian magic carpet things people say. Shalakishvali. Yes, I know, but I'm not a terrorist. As I said, is the code. Just do us both a favor, okay? Get the box open, someone help you, then you call back, and then I help you, okay? Alright? Yes. Okay. Alright then, ma'am. Yes, I'm very sorry. Okay. Alright, you have a good day too. Okay. I will try not to destroy America. Alright. Bye bye. Old hag.